na lang siya nung free agency and trade window. Sa loob, Melencio can't get it to go. Last 2 minutes of game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Cedillo. Bola na aga, Wahing. They're down by 4. We need a basket here. What about Bacolod? Backdoor cut. Melencio will trickle that one in. Nice read by Ian Melencio off the basketball. 17 points and 6 assists for Ian.
There's no timeout, right?
Wala. Sakla.
Wala. Tuloy. Ganda nung tira na yung Ian Melencio. Down by 2.
Oo. Doligon. The denial on the post. They go to John Fa. One-on-one against Ian Melencio. Pasa sa ilalim. Degoy Lopez could not finish. Chance to tie or take the lead for Bacolod. Galman looks away from Melencio. They go to Marjon Wahing. A minute left in regulation. Wahing losing Joe Gomez de Leaño off the dribble, but his shot results into an air ball.
That was a crucial shot. Kung pumasok yun, lamang sila eh.
Doligon will burn some time. Both teams in penalty. Doligon pull-up jumper short. Galman, Wahing, intercepted and stolen completely by John Fa. 6-second differential between shot and game clock. Will Bacolod foul or play out the clock? 2-on-1 situation. Joe Gomez de Leaño will score.
That was a good pass by Decoy Lopez to Gomez de Leaño.
Kailangan quick 3 tapos foul. Atin. Atin bola. Dito ba? Side. Elevator tayo, elevator. Quick 3 tapos foul.
Dito, kuha dito si Ian, maglabas ka ng bola. Si Galman ang lalabas. Quick 3. And then, quick 3, kailangan shoot. Kailangan basket natin, guys.
Foul.
Pagkawa na kako.
Foul.
Ano, what?
Gamit
Kailangan
foul.
seconds pa.
Oh,
Kailangan tayo, gumamit tayo ng foul. Okay?
Oh.
Guys, elevator tayo, ha? Elevator, ha? Kaya yan. Go! Bacolod na 3, 1, 2, 3.
What do you think, Coach Vic? Down by 4, 19.8 seconds left. Meron pa silang isang timeout. Tig-isa actually, itong Bacolod in Manila.
Kaya sabi nga ni Coach, they just have to convert a 2 or 3, whatever it is, but they have to foul right away.
First time, not underside, clearly. Galman. Sacks, pinasahan si Ian Melencio for 3. Wala. Bola na tapik, palabas. Possession, mapupunta sa Manila.
Very clear yung tawag ng referee na yun. Nakita niya talaga, tinapik ng one of the Bacolod players palabas yung bola.
Can't locate an open teammate. Now it's with John Fa. Release pass. Joe Gomez de Leaño. Decoy Lopez will score. Putting the nail in the coffin.
Yes, I think that's it for Bacolod.
And it's a turnover. 1.1 seconds left. And Manila will pick up their first victory after dropping their first 2 assignments, while Bacolod suffering their second straight loss matapos ang kanilang panalo against Imus in this game of his 20 points here